Former Finance Minister P Chidambaram has been sent to judicial custody. So it's Tihar jail for Mr. Chidambaram. The court has granted judicial custody till the 19th of September. Remember, his CBI custody ended today. The CBI argued in court that they don't want Mr. Chidambaram's custody any further and that he should be sent to judicial custody. The court now granting judicial custody of Mr. Chidambaram till the 19th of September. Arunachal Vaidyanathan is standing by with me for the very latest. Vaidya, tell us what happened in court.
See, the first and foremost information from the CBI court is Mr. P Chidambaram is being sent to Tihar jail. That's until September 19th. So whatever his lawyers worked very hard in the court, right from Mr. CBI, they have completely failed. It's a big setback for Mr. Chidambaram. Right now, Mr. CBI is moving an application arguing, saying that certain facilities should be given to Mr. Chidambaram, like medicine, and he even wants Western toilets. So all these facilities he is being asking, and probably the court may agree to it also. But the big news from the Saket court is Mr. Chidambaram will be going to Tihar jail.
Big breaking story right now that Mr. Chidambaram is headed to Tihar jail after the special CBI court granted judicial custody, has sent him to judicial custody till the 19th of September. A big setback to the former finance minister. Now the CBI custody ended today. Now the court sending him to judicial custody. This Kapil Sibal, who is the lawyer for Mr. Chidambaram, has moved an application for certain facilities in jail, like medicines, a Western toilet. Sibal also has moved another petition for separate cell and adequate security for Mr. Chidambaram. So a big jolt, a big setback for the former finance minister P Chidambaram from the special CBI court. Remember, he has also suffered a setback in the Supreme Court, where the Supreme Court rejected his anticipatory bail plea against the Enforcement Directorate. So he also faces faces arrest by the Enforcement Directorate now that his anticipatory bail plea has been denied by the Supreme Court. So a bad day in courts for former Finance Minister P Chidambaram. He has been sent to judicial custody till the 19th of September. Vaidya, take us through the arguments that happened in court ahead of this decision.
So as far as the CBI is concerned, they said that if Mr. Chidambaram is out on bail or he comes out, then there are chances that he may influence a witness. One of the witnesses can be influenced. But the CBI did not say who is that exact star witness. But Chidambaram's side argued, saying that 15 days custody of CBI is now over. Why he should be sent to judicial case, that to Tihar jail. But CBI opposed it, so finally the judgment was reserved. Just a minute ago, the judgment was handed over, which basically says till 19th of September, Mr. Chidambaram will stay at Tihar jail. So whatever the request being put forward by Mr. Chidambaram's lawyer, saying that he should not be sent to Tihar jail, that was rejected. So till 19th of September, he will be in Tihar jail. But at the same time, Chidambaram's lawyers wanted certain facilities to be given to Mr. Chidambaram, a separate cell, cot, because he has a Z plus security category, and medicines. So all these things have been approved and allowed by the court. So meanwhile, Mr. CBI representing Chidambaram also moving a petition saying that he wants to surrender in the ED case. So all these things, basically they wanted Mr. Chidambaram not to send to Tihar jail, that all their efforts have been failed. In fact, today morning also Supreme Court rejecting his anticipatory bail said that they can't interfere in the ongoing investigation. A fair investigation will have to be done and court can't intervene. That was a setback in the morning, but now in the afternoon, in the evening, the Saket court, special CBI court, sending Mr. Chidambaram to Tihar jail till 19th of this month.